Umentri katran pule puthi menta kasiu la pentep bahadian ka jengkendo jong umentri ramba ka jela bat ki mentri katrat pule puthi ka sarkar pedang ban pan cimpishaya lor kasiu iti hadian ka jengkendo umentri ramba ka jela umal ban remboy la itu ban kaliang umentri katrat pule puthi ka sarkar pedang ula ong baki khynnah ki bakwa ban pule ki kolej ba pynïasoh bat ki skol ba ka sarkar pedang Kim dan kam satya ban pendap ya kasiu iti hendai tangki batmu ban pulia ki skul ba kum ka NEHU ya thu umar la kaman remboy.
In last few days and few weeks, the students of the state, they are in dilemma because of the sudden introduction of the Central University entrance test, whereby admission into the Central University and the African College should be done as per through CUET. I'm very happy the continuous process of the government of Meghalaya, and today in the afternoon, where Honorable Chief Minister has a meeting with the Education Minister, Government of India. It is clarified that the Athletic College are exempted from CUET. But those who are desire, the students who desire to pursue a degree course, like in NEHU, LLB, 5-year course is done in NEHU, they still have to do the CUET. But for Athletic College or the government-aided college, they are exempted. It is up to them to choose that CUET entrance test or score. So I'm very happy that the Union Ministry Education have understand the problem which the student and the state as a whole. So it is agreed that to exempt these students from applying CUET, provided they do seek directly to the Central University.
When the NTA has announced the date for the application of form for the Central University entrance test, with the notification that all admission into the Central University and its affiliated college should be based on the scores in that Central University entrance test. So after that, a series of meeting communication with the central government to exempt the state of Meghalaya, because Meghalaya, most of the affiliated college, almost all the affiliated colleges are affiliated to the one single university, that is NEHU, which will find the problem as of now. So after series of communication, and today in the afternoon, our Honorable Chief Minister met the Minister of Education in Delhi, where it is agreed that the state colleges, state-aided colleges will be exempted from this CUET. But for the college, for the course, even undergraduate course also, who are in the university itself, run, managed by the university itself, Central University I mean, they have to appear this CUET. So the example here, like the LLB, 5-year course which run by the NEHU, that they have still to appear through CUET. Also other courses which run by the Central University itself or in their campus, as the case may be. So this is a big relief for the student of Meghalaya, but as I mentioned time and again, that we are not ready, the mindset of the student psychologically the students have not ready, and moreover that due to the absence of center everywhere, it is very difficult for the students. So I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister that today, and also to the Government of India through the Union Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhanji, that they have agreed to exempt this after college or aided college or state college from this